angels. I woke up feeling like I had a bit of a cold today, but I love hanging out. So I thought that we could do something that I have been meaning to do for a while, and it's clean my dresser, which is like, wow, that sounds like so much fun. But hear me out. I love the stuff that I have in my dresser, and I thought it'd be fun if we just like clean together and I explain some stuff, and I don't know, it could be fun featuring the July Rose bangle that's coming soon. So first and foremost, see, this is an issue. This is why, oh my God, we need to clean this, because this is where I do my makeup in the morning and we can't have this. And there's also dust. Like, my thing is literally collecting dust. So we gotta figure this out. I'm having some mint and I think chamomile tea. Oh, cute. This is the teacup I had with breakfast. Freaking love this teacup so much. Okay, normally I'm very good about getting my cups washed, so this is not usual, okay? I have to admit, but look how cute. First of all, this is my makeup bag. This is all of my makeup, okay? And I like to keep it in a bag because I'm always on the go, and there's so many moments where I just want to leave the house and I do my makeup in the car. So I keep everything, like most everything in here. So I'll keep this on here. I'll just move it to my bed for now. This is new, actually. I got this lip mask from Naturium. It is crazy good, and it's because I just finished my other lip balm. See, so this is a good clean out moment because I could throw this out. I have been really dedicating myself to finishing my products before buying something new. And this is a Kiehl's lip mask that I can confidently say I've completed, so I'll throw her out. Classic Glossier bag, and it's like, this is serious, you guys. I literally have dust collecting. It's bad. And I don't know why I don't just like move these things, but I think it's because I get overwhelmed. Okay, like, didn't even know that was in there. I like to keep these for when I'm traveling, and that's probably honestly what that's there from last. And then I have this product here. I actually don't like this eyebrow gel. You know what? I think I'm just gonna get rid of it. It makes my eyebrows look like gray or something. I honestly think this has been here since my Prague trip. I love these. They're so great and they're really cute. So I have these extras and I'm gonna keep them for next time. Another Glossier bag here. Broken rubber band. Okay, we could start, I'm gonna start collecting the first round of garbage. Mason Cleo tag. Are you guys having fun? Isn't this so much fun? I put my bobby pins in this diptyque old candle holder. Let's play a little game of I Spy and find all of the hair ties that are scattered about. Okay, and then scrunchies. I'm gonna go put these all in their respective place, which is in the bathroom, because it's just taking up space. I'm gonna go in the bathroom as well because I don't need this immediately. This SPF here, because this is the one I like actually use. It's boring now because we're just getting like the garbage out of the way, but I promise it'll get cuter as we explore. These are my hair cutting scissors, and these are dangerous to have because I'll be just trimming my ends and then wondering why my hair's not growing. These need to go to the bathroom. And then I got these brand new eyebrow scissors, which are so great. God, having like appropriate scissors is very important. An anti-tarnishing tab for jewelry work. If you're familiar with our jewelry boxes, you know that it says this, be gentle, my entire heart is in here. That originated because of this box. I was just going on a trip to Puerto Rico and I just decided to write this on an empty box that I found, and everyone loved it so much that I figured I would change it to our like official boxes. I don't need it right now, and it could probably go to like some archive spot at my studio at this point. One of Florence's treats, lovely. We're just gonna keep going. I'm getting overwhelmed, but I'm not gonna let myself stay overwhelmed. This is a scalp massager. I love it so much. It's really wonderful for hair growth, and you just like rub it on your scalp. It's great. I don't know why it's here. It needs to be in the living room. Eyelash curler. Jones Road lip pencil. I do like this. So lip pencils and other like makeup brushes go in here in a larger diptyque candle thing. I just washed all my makeup brushes, so those are in the bathroom right now. I'll put this somewhere. I'm gonna put this here because it's much more beautiful. I hope that you're having, oh my God, I literally just woke up from a nap before this. I hope that you're having fun. I'm just like turning a chore into spending time with you, but I think it's fun. Lots of July Rose sample pieces and things like that. This is similar to the Tippy Health, just very, very like organic looking, I guess. So I like to put my rings on here, especially the ones I don't wear that often, on this brass like swan goose thing. They're July Rose that I haven't worn in a while. Finca ring, little chicken on it. Oh no, it doesn't fit on here. Well, that's why it has, okay, well, she'll have this beautiful ornament. Goggles, they're goggles. This is so cute. Look at this. This is a like a little shelf thing. So pretty, but I don't know where to put it. So I'm gonna God, I think I'm gonna keep it here for now. Sorry. This is so old, but I do still wear it. So I'm gonna keep this. Lipsticks with literal dust on that. How embarrassing. This one. Oh, I do like this color a lot. My room gets extremely dusty though, so this will collect dust very quickly. It's not like that shocking. I don't love this, but I just got it, so I should give it a few more tries. A bunch of Merit blushes. What the hell? Oh my god. I was like, wait, why do I have two? My sister was just complaining that she lost hers. Here it is. Oh my god. My tweezers. Everybody needs a fantastic pair of tweezers. A hair clip. This is a highlight, which is just, I wouldn't recommend it because it's expensive and it's just like any other highlight. That's what I've learned about highlights. I will not be repurchasing a highlight until I finish the current one I have. July Rose Swan Wing 14K, so pretty. This is the sample of our little home travel jewelry box. She is dusty as well, but I do use this a lot. These are like so many of my pendants in here. This I bought from a woman on the street in Oaxaca, Mexico. She hand carved it. It's just one of my favorite things. So I always, anywhere I've lived, it's kind of on display with my beauty stuff because it's just such a beautiful piece of art and symbol of beauty and culture, and I love it so much. This is Officine Universelle Bully, that Parisian brand. I got this with a package that I ordered from them, and it's just like a mini hand cream. It's too cute, and I will use this in a purse. I can't get rid of it. I love it. Okay, one of my favorite autumnal and wintry perfumes, Jaipur Chai, smells just like a cozy ass chai, so I won't be touching that until winter probably. Bronzer that I clearly do not use. Okay, let's begin wiping down for Christ's sake, because this is getting hard to look at. Okay, my beautiful perfumes. This is where I figured it would get kind of fun. This one I got in Florence, Italy. Not only is the bottle cute, but it was cheap and it smells so stunning. If you like Eau de Toile by Diptyque, you would love this one. This is Rose Jam by Lush. I love this smell, but I'm never going to use this fragrance, so I think I'm going to give it to my friend who I think loves this. Zephyr. This is, oh my god, Zephyr by Aquaflor. I don't even think they sold this online, and it has this like engraving thing of my initials. I got this while, again, I was in Florence, Italy. Whoa, it smells so sexy. I always describe that this is like one of my summer scents, but it smells like you're at the beach all day, so you have like a hint of BO, but still like leftover like your perfume or something. It is so sexy in a way that only a few get it, but oh my god, I love it so much. This one is really good too. It's like honey and just super sexy as well. This Fig Leaf by Universal Flowering. I don't know why I don't wear it. I think I don't wear it because it smells pretty basic of fig, and I'm just like, it's good, but it's just kind of boring for me. Oh, it's so nice though. I'm gonna keep this here for sure. The Universal Flowering, I went through like such a phase of hers because her stuff is really good. This one lasts so long on me, but it gave me such a bad headache one time, so I haven't worn it since. This is kind of my secret weapon, so if you're watching this, you'll have my secret, but this is my favorite perfume of all time. Very nostalgic to me, has such a story. Heliotrope Milk Bath. I think I'm probably gonna repurchase this soon because there's nothing left. I'm so sad when I smell it. This is Neroli 36. I always see people looking for like a fresh shower scent. That's this to me. Such a strange smell. I honestly can't even describe it, and if you shop their stuff, you know they do strange, stunning work. Okay, and then last year in the south of France, I bought this, and it smells kind of like lemon cake. It's really lovely and cute. Love getting perfume on vacation if I can manage it. This is Tobacco Toscano. I am gonna keep that here because I don't know what to do with it. Jewelry box. This here for now though. I think I'm gonna take this to my studio. Here's another lipstick. Pretty boring. Like literally don't even wear this one, but cleaning makes me so conscious of my spending. This is a handmade in Mexico little mirror. I use this to apply my makeup all the time. Hello. I really have learned that you do not need multiple bronzers. Like for me, all the bronzers perform and look the same. Okay, let me have my first sip of tea. My god. These Merit glosses. Cute, but I never use them. So much perfume. I don't even know what this one smells like. It's just, I have a lot of samples. You know, let's put this all with the other perfumes over there. So, because I have more here. This is a stupidly expensive blush that I'm returning. Ginger mints, which are great. They're great for nausea and anxiety related to nausea, so I'll put this over there. They do not need to be in my makeup counter. This is just like all my perfume samples that I don't want to get rid of, so I'll throw these in there. I really, really do love this product, so I'll keep it here, though I don't use it often. I'll just use this one, but cute. Spray, I do use this. This is more for like beach days. Gel liner, used once. It's good though. I'm gonna keep it here. Oh, this is so beautiful. My beautiful July Rose cuff that I handcrafted in Florence, Italy under the guidance of the master that I was under over there, Master Goldsmith, and it was just incredible. And oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love it so much. I just like to keep this on display, but you know what? I think I'm gonna put it over there on my little shelf thing so that has more display. I love this. This is new and I use this every single day. It's a lip scrub, but from Lush, and it's the honey one. I feel so like romantic using this. I love it. So that stays here. I have a hand sanitizer for when I'm about to do my makeup. Glossier U, one of my kind of like seasonless fragrances that I have, so I'll keep that here. My most used, though I've had this since like 2022. Barely almost done. I bought this one maybe like over a year ago and I loved it, and then I overdid it and now it kind of bothers me, which sucks. It's nice, but it reminds me of fall, so I'll just be putting this away for now. I'm putting my autumn fragrances on the side, pulling out the summer ones. And oh my god, speaking of fall, this is the most autumnal fragrance you'll ever smell. It's stunning. Okay, moving over here. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I like to make a piece of jewelry for every year of my birthday. This is a rose hair clip that I made in brass. Yeah, last year for when I was in France, and I wore it there, and I love it so much. So again, this is something else that needs to be displayed properly, so I'm gonna put it on this little cathedral thing. She deserves to be on display and not hidden behind the duck or the swan. So yeah, okay, she'll be displayed. This is a pony's little horseshoe. I love it. This is a candle from Aquaflor and I love it. I got this in Florence, Italy from an artisan there. Can someone tell me why it's crumbling like this? Because it was not like that. This is hand carved and it's just crumbling and I'm very devastated. Oh my god. I don't know what's happening, so just like don't touch that. And okay, yeah, we gotta clean this. I have lots of makeup on here, lots of like my daily players so that I have easy access. I love this foundation, About Face. And this tray also got handmade in Florence, Italy. I love it so much. House Labs, a little dark for me right now, but in the summer is good. This is garbage, it's empty. Rare Beauty lip tint. I don't really use this. Move that to the bathroom. This is Bisou Balm. It's so dry on me, but I love the color. So I still keep it, but have a hard time wearing her, honestly. Just remember what I said. We have lots of lipsticks always. Oh my god, look how dusty this is. This is just like this cool tone nude. Oh my god, I didn't even know I still had this. This is garbage. This is a really beautiful color. It's very dark, but it's so pretty. I won't be using this for a while. I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. Some blushes. I like powder blushes sometimes. I think that they're just really romantic looking. So there's one, and then this one. Oh, you know what? I never use this. I think I'm gonna throw it out, unfortunately. I love it, but every time I wear it, it just looks terrible on me. So keeping this, tossing this. This is the Real Tea. This is what I was so excited to get to. What do you know about Royal Violet? This is literally mine from when I was a baby. It's so utterly sentimental to me. The smell, the bottle. This is a relic that belongs in the Museum of Me, Jalissa edition. I'm gonna smell it. Oh my god, every time I smell it, I just want to cry. It's just so sweet. I love it. So, okay, I just like having this because I think it's beautiful. So yeah, I'm still gonna keep it. And then this is this giant bronzer blush that I never use. Let's do a bit of reorganizing, shall we? This is the beautiful tray. Isn't she stunning? So this I'm gonna put back here. Put the tray back over here. I like it where it was. My little horseshoe. I could probably find a better place, but I just don't know. Goose goes here. I put some lip products back on this little tray. Oh, I didn't even talk about this. Bronzer I do use. Oh, and then I made myself this little bird ring one day when I was bored. Cute. I'm gonna put it right here. These two. Oh, this is so much better. You guys don't even know. This is so relieving. Okay, this, I'll just toss her on the tray. That looks cute. I don't know what to do with all of these because these are like the ones I will interchange with every day. So I think I'm gonna keep them here. I do think I'm gonna keep them over here. Honestly, they're so cute, but the shape of these are so annoying. Okay, like I said, I want my summer fragrances out, so I'm gonna keep these ones here for when I'm ready to put them on. Yeah, these products, just like my random lip products that I use all the time. This will be, what if we did this? The main event. Where do we put her? Where do we put her? Classic. Right there. She's clean. She's clean. We did it. Thank you for doing that with me. That was fun, and I needed your motivation to get that done. But it looks so beautiful. I love my, this is vintage, and I have so many beautiful items here that deserve to be displayed nicely. I feel like I have a lot of beautiful items, and I'm like, I don't even know if any of that was like my good fun stuff or not, but whatever. I have a headache. I'm gonna hang out and journal and like read and stuff, and I will see you later. Thank you for watching.